Hello everyone, I'm Febri Takselnanda from Aceh. I'm a teacher who teach English class for students in SMA Unggul Cutnyadin Langsa. Now I'm going to give my views about webinar hosted by Marwadi University and organized by TIE UPSInternational. As far as I'm concerned, this program held for 3 days, started from December 14 to December 16. It was amazing. It took nearly 2 hours per day, and I joined this program because the theme was so interesting. It was about the Virtual Teachers Empowerment Program. The topics were discussed about principle of students' engagement, teaching as a noble profession, and the day 3 about teaching with heart and art. In day 1, the presenter was amazing, Dhananjay Singh. He told about learning development. He explained about what is teacher, how to be a good teacher in teaching, and he explained more about what a teacher job, why a teacher job is important, and he asked about our feeling after watching the video, how to respect a teacher. Well, automatically we feel proud as a teacher. And after that, there was Mr. Nur Ali Chamadia. The lesson was about teaching should be fun. He told about the teacher should have the creativity in teaching. He explained more what a teacher should do. And also about major component in teaching. And I thought it's brilliant. He reminded us to keep more creative. Should be balance between the skill and the creativity. And there were some quiz that we have to fulfill and send it to him. In short, the meeting was fun because there was interaction between the speaker and also the participant. And for the Q&A, the speakers were good enough answering all questions from teachers until the time is up. And the day 3, they were lecturing us about teaching with heart and art. They showed us how to teach well, and of course it made me think, and it was boosting my motivation to teach students more creative. Well, after I join this program, I will implement those learning in my teaching, such as using technology in learning that had showed by the speaker in this program. And I should be creative more and more using fresh methods. In addition, as I told before, teaching should be fun.